Okay, here we go. Game 2 of the second round postseason. Luca with the upset. Had a great game.
Luca, the key is to score first.
But here we go. Luca could send this one to the World Series this game, or Logan can force a game for it.
Foul off.
Luca goes the other way. Two.
That's the best way to start off a game. Nice single.
I know how to hit it off though. And how to hit it. Runner advances to second. I know how to hit it. Wait, time.
You can't do that. That's a warning. That's a strike. I warned you the other game.
That's speed pitching.
No, it's not.
This is
If you're in the box, he's allowed to pitch, Luca.
Come on. I like that.
Holy crap, Luca is on fire right now. The runners are going to be at the corners. You want scuff?
Yeah.
Bambodilo, crocodilo. Coco on the pump. Luca is safe. He's so safe. That's going to drive in a run. He's so safe.
That's bases loaded.
No, the run scores, 100%.
How?
There's a runner on third. You want it to be bases loaded?
No.
1-0. Foul. You want scuff? Bambodilo, crocodilo. It's crazy. I just know one word to the song.
2-1.
It's bambodilo,
No,
crocodilo.
it's 1-2. Oh yeah, 1-2.
Bambodilo, crocodilo, Coca-Cola, Fanta. That's all I know.
Watch this.
Get out.
Watch what? I don't know what's wrong.
Base is now loaded. Yes, he did.
It was a strike.
Yeah. Coca-Cola, Fanta. Safe. That's gonna score another run. It's 2-0, and the bases are still loaded. Why'd he try to kick it? Bambodilo, crocodilo. Just grab that one.
Hey, where's my water? Wait, is it? I don't know if that's mine.
Go the other way. Aim towards the green monster. That might be speed.
That sniped
That
the.
was not speed.
That sniped the water.
Oh, that could be. Nope. Foul.
Not there?
No.
No.
Foul.
That was so fair.
It bounced and then foul.
Yes, it bounces in fan territory after third base. It's a fair ball. Yes, yes. 1 out.
We explained that during the regular season. That's an out.
Wait, is this mine?
2-0. Luca doesn't care. All he cares
No,
about.
this is 1 out. No. Why not the first out?
Camden, is
Grab
this
that
yours?
to the pitcher.
Yeah, it's yours.
Mine.
Luca.
Oh, yeah.
You literally explained that in the regular season, bro. I seriously looked it up. Don't chase. That's the only thing. You don't think it's a strike, don't you?
That hit the strike.
gave terrible advice. Off the foot.
You throw Lucas these pitches?
Yeah. I am. I'm throwing everybody using pitches.
One and two. Strike three. Just try to go off those shots. Keep your head down and swing. I guess. I don't know. I'm not a hitting coach. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. You can't land off speed. Don't land off speed. Logan! Almost gone. He's going to get... No, he's not. Luca fielded that well.
Stand there. 1, 2, 3 steps back. 1, 2 steps.
Luca playing on the monster. Coco elefanta, bambodilo, crocodilo. First and second.
That's my chance.
Johnny got hit by UFO. Luca, if you want to win, get up. If you want to win, get your butt up. What's it count?
1-1. 2-1. Reset. Time.
Logan makes it a tie game. Maybe even that could be inside the park. That's going to be an inside the park home run. And Logan takes the lead. Logan takes the lead. Inside the park home run. Oh, that was only 2. But you got hit.
3-3. 3-3.
Oh, yeah. Wait, it's 3-3?
It's 3-2.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
You never
scored.
scored
You only
3?
scored 2 runs.
Logan takes the lead on a clutch home run. I think that's just what he needed to get off the slump. No one saw the way.
No, Luca was in position. Run out first.
I think Logan might be rallying here. Little 1 out.
Hey, you see what they're doing? They're trying to laugh. It's loud as Just grab that one.
2-1. 2-1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he's not even paying attention. You could probably get it up to center field for inside the park.
No.
3-2, Logan takes the lead.
Top 3?
Yep.
The sun's about to go down. Let's go.
Wait, it's only top 2.
Yeah. Come on, Pat.
Come on, Luca. Other way. Oh, not like that.
Get it! Patrick!
Oh my goodness, he was almost safe.
Holy crap. That was close.
I'd rather be safe than sorry there.
Wait, time. How that rip out such a big burp.
Oh, I wanted you to slam.
And that was got
No,
him.
you're throwing the same pitches that you did to me. You're like lobbing it in.
a run. Safe! He's safe!
No, he's not.
Never mind. Wait, come here. Patrick, come here.
What?
I think it was safe. Because the ball is passed. Bombadillo, crocodilo.
Coco Elefanta.
That was kind of nasty.
Holy! That was almost right. For you, Logan. Oh, yeah. 1 and 2.
Is the grass already dying?
It's crazy that the grass is already dying. Is it 2-2?
Yeah.
Is it? Look, the grass is already cut.
Well, I was hustling, though.
No, this is my chance
You need
to put up runs.
You need to break out, score 5 runs here, make it an 8-2 ball game.
Yeah.
That's what you need.
Wait, Tom. You can't do that.
No
Luca,
pitch.
you cannot do that.
I didn't know you was pitching.
Fine. Oh, that's
You're out. Now he hustles. Hustles for you.
You not see that? He didn't hustle for you. He's like this. He's like, that's so generous. Look, he hustled.
No, I'm not. I'm not trying to do this.
So biased. That was
Logan places one perfectly.
Time.
Do you want to go to me?
Should I risk him that lefty and try to hit us?
No, seriously. Just don't pop it up around out. Or you're probably going to get a hit.
I
Wait,
can't.
was that smooth?
No.
I mean,
Take it.
No, it hit behind home plate.
That hit right
No,
here.
it didn't. It
No
hit behind
way.
home plate. That's a foul
Right
ball.
here.
No way. I saw with my own eyes. Two-1.
no, 1 and 2.
No, 2-1.
It's 2-1. I have 1 strike.
Hold.
3-2.
Watch out. There's a huge at bat in this game.
Reset.
Yes. I would stay.
No.
You're not good.
No. I don't feel comfortable in this situation.
Time. That was a tip, right?
Yeah. 1-1.
Yeah, 1-1.
No.
Don't take the bat. Oh, you're dead. Do we want to go to relief? No, I'm cooking.
Well, I haven't pitched at all.
If I let a runner on second base, you're in.
You want that? You need it right here.
Strike.
You need to score. Yes.
Strike. Well, I hit it.
Oh.
No.
Nope, Logan.
If I don't score here, Logan. Wait, get a score. Go.
Holy crap.
Come on, bro. Down, damn. On the island. You make a crap. I got the strap. Yo, what am I saying?
series finale once again. We'll see you.